In this video, you're going to learn how to delete one row or multiple rows from an Excel worksheet. And if you'd like to grab a copy of the file used in this video, just click on the link in the description below. Okay, so let's have a look at how to delete one row first. So if we go to delete row 4, all you need to do is click on the row. So you can left click on it first if you like, but you don't have to. But what you really need to do is right click on it with the mouse and then click on delete, and that row is now gone. So that's how you can delete one row. I'll just undo that, and I'll show you that if you want to delete multiple rows, all you need to do is left click with your mouse, and while you're still holding it down, drag the mouse down, and you can see here we've got 2R that shows up, which is telling us that we've chosen 2 rows. And if I drag it down further, it's now 3R and now 4R, which is Excel telling me how many rows I've selected. So that's a good way to help you choose the right number of rows. Okay, so if I let go of the left mouse button and then right click and then delete, that's now deleted 4 rows. So I'll just undo that and I'll show you one more thing. So that was deleting rows that are next to each other. So let's have a look at how to delete rows that are not next to each other. So I've just left clicked onto row 3. Now I'm holding down the control key and I'll left click onto row 6. I've let go of the control key. I'll right click on the mouse, click on delete, and that's deleted the 2 rows that I selected. Okay, and you can do that for any number of rows that are not right next to each other. Okay, so now you know how to delete one single row. You also know how to delete a couple of rows that are next to each other, and you know how to delete more than one row when they're not next to each other by using the control key.